guys, welcome to another vlog. We're heading into downtown Tampa. I'm with my beautiful wife today. Can't see her really. Wanted to do a quick update on the bike. Since I made some changes, I've bought some stuff. First thing I want to show is I got brand new gloves. I'm gonna pull over in a little bit here and do a parking lot video, but basically these are new Alpinestars SPX Air V2s. They replaced my Dainese 4-stroke Evos that I had for like 5 years. Those gloves started to deteriorate, so I was worried that if I ever fell, the leather would just fall apart. But these are pretty nice. They're a little tight right now. It's my first time wearing them on the bike. I did play my Formula 1 2020 simulator with them to try to break them in a little bit. Left hand's fine. Right hand, because I am right-handed, maybe I just do more with my right hand, so it's maybe a little more, you know, a smidge muscular compared to my left, so it's a little tighter on the right. But they'll break in typically. Leather takes, you know, 5 hours of riding or so. Ooh, don't want to get wet by the sprinklers. Let me squeegee the screen here for you. But yeah, so I got new gloves. They're short cuff. I don't like full cuff gloves. Just because I usually, I mean, to each his own, but I usually wear a jacket that's not like a bike jacket. So they're, you know, with a fleece or something, it's not as comfortable to wear a full size glove. Nice little park here. The other thing, as you guys can probably gather, is I got a screen. I got a Puig Dark Smoke for Christmas back when I still lived in New York, but obviously the season had ended, riding season, so I couldn't install it. So finally, when I got to Florida, I finally got it installed. So you can see it's about halfway up my chest as far as being in front of me. I'm trying to find a parking lot here. I think I want that one right there, actually. Let's do a loop. But yeah, so I got this screen. Aesthetically, I put on Instagram a poll for my friends to vote. Most people liked it. I am not 100% sold on it, so I'm probably going to remove it. But it does do its job. Where's the entrance to this thing? It does do its job. And, alright, I think we just go here for a few minutes. It's reserved. I'm sure nobody will care. I'm a rebel. But yeah, it does do its job. And we're gonna pull over here. I'll do a walk around. Neutral, stand. Let my wife get off. Alright, and yeah, so that's what it looks like from the front. Let me turn off the bike so you guys can see it without any light interference. I mean, it looks decent. I had a Puig on my old Ninja 636, a double bubble. That screen was amazing. It fit that bike perfect. On my old Ninja 300, I had the OEM screen that I actually painted the inside black with spray paint. Basically did the same thing, I guess, but it mounts basically pretty easily. There's 2 screws right here, and then there's a couple of there's 1 screw you remove here for the fork, and then you basically put a longer screw in to, you know, account for the bracket. But you can see here it's a little Puig logo. But yeah, just a quick walk around. Go from the back. So if you're in need of a screen and you don't want one of those big honking ones that look like you're doing the world tour across the world, this should do. I think it's like $130 on Amazon right now. I'm probably gonna remove mine and sell it for $100 or so. So if you're interested, let me know. I find myself doing a lot more local riding here in Florida than in New York, where we did a lot of highway, you know, cruising because of the you know, distance between everything. Here things are pretty close. So okay, and then I'm gonna switch to another mod that I did today, actually, before we left the house, and that was a custom LED brake modulator. So let me get the bike started. So, you know, when you push the brake normally, it just on off, right? Florida doesn't have the greatest drivers, based on what I've seen the first 5 weeks I've lived here. Lots of accidents, lots of traffic, a lot of opportunities to get rear-ended. So I installed a custom LED brake modulator, or universal brake modulator. So when you hit the brake, you can see that it flashes. And I'm gonna have my wife do the brakes right now so you guys can see from a distance. But basically, there's 9 different settings on this little module, and each setting, other than number 9 is basically factory on off, but the other 8 is a different flash pattern. So I have it at pattern 5 right now, which is basically 4 quick blinks, pause for a second, 4 quick blinks, and then pause for 3 seconds, and then repeat. So there's a variation of different kinds. There's ones that basically constantly flash. I think that would be too annoying for people behind me, so I didn't pick that one. But alright, I'll be back 1 second. Alright, go ahead, babe. Okay, there you go. Yeah, so you can just imagine you're sitting in a car right here. I'm doing a squat right now. People are probably like, what is this guy doing? But you're sitting behind me, and, you know, I'm getting your attention. So yeah, that was like $60, I want to say, but $60 if it saves my life. I'll pay that all day long. But yeah, now we're just gonna go for a cruise with the wife. But yeah, just want to give you guys a quick update of the things I've done to the bike the last couple of days, couple of weeks. And I just realized my charging cable for my what is it called, battery tender, came out. Yeah, I had to take all this stuff off today to do the custom LED modulator, but it's just a couple of bolts and screws, so no big deal. Alright, peace.